Hi, and welcome back to another video. My name is Brendan Lowe, and I'm a Salesforce consultant that works at Solved. Today, we're going to be talking about everyone's favorite subject, which is Agentforce, the hottest topic of Salesforce. And specifically, I want to talk about how can Agentforce recommend next best actions to agents. Now, in this video, it's going to be a little bit different than the other ones that I've recorded because I want to show you what I look at in attempting to answer these questions and attempting to understand everything that Agentforce is capable of. So let me share my screen and we can dive in here. Okay. So in my dev org, let's go take a look at how you can build out agents. So let's go to setup. And then we'll search for agents. Now, as a common theme, I typically look for the most out of the box or plug and play way to accomplish these things. And so I'm just going to go to the default agent for Agentforce, previously known as Copilot. And I'm going to click Open in Builder. Now you'll see that topics are what drive what an agent is capable of doing. That is really the outline of how do I interact with an agent and what can it do for me. This one comes preset with general CRM and single record summary topics, but this is the key. I look at the asset library for the topics to see what are the out of the box solutions that I could just enable and use. And you'll see that there are a lot. You have a description in the scope of what that encompasses. But for example, in preparing to answer this question, I looked at, would one of these, if I dropped it in, would I be able to use it to get a next best action on a record, maybe an opportunity? And this one jumped out at me, the closed deals. So let's add that. And let's take a look at the outline. So the description, questions related to a user's query to get a detailed deal strategy, comprehensive steps to advance close opportunities based on past deals won, pricing information for a product, all of this. Then you have a scope in here that you can use to also identify, would this cover what I'm looking for? And it's all filled in for you, all the instructions, which if you want, you could create a new version and you can modify it a little bit. So if you want to say, hey, actually specifically, I wanted to do all of this, but also be able to provide a next best step, then you could do a new version and you can edit it. And once you've done that, you can interact directly with Einstein Copilot or with the default agent just by clicking on this Agentforce box and entering in what you're looking for. So the answer is yes, Agentforce can suggest next best actions. How it can do that is using just one of the out of the box topics for the default agent. I really like exploring this, and I hope that this enables you to be able to say, what is Agentforce capable of? Let me go take a look at the topics that are already available from my asset library. And then if not, obviously you always have the option to create a new topic. But if you wanted to build it based off of an existing one, then you can just select it. You can come in here and you could do a new version like we took a look at, essentially clone it and make updates. Very exciting stuff. Something that excites me is that there could be new topics added to the asset library moving forward so that even more use cases are covered for you and you just have to enable them. But if you'd like to learn more about this, please feel free to go to solve.cloud, schedule a free consultation. Let's come in and look at your use cases for Agentforce and see how we can help you. For more videos on Agentforce, you can also go to the Solved Cloud YouTube channel, and you can look at other videos that I've put out about Agentforce and specifically how Agentforce supports self-service. That's one of the great ones that I was able to put out last week. So thank you for watching, and everybody take care.